Shall we start, Saif sir? You're on mute.
Yes, sir. I think we should start. It's 4:18, so we are waiting for now.
Yes.
We should start. Let's see when they
Yes.
join.
Deepak sir, you ready? Deepak sir?
Deepak
Yes,
sir.
sir. Ready, sir. Ready.
Great.
Great.
Good evening, schools. We have today four teams with us. Shivnada, Dayanand School, then Satyug and SJ Educational Center. Welcome to our final leg of quarterfinals for the competition. Thank you so much, first of all, for being here. I'm sure that you are busy with your examinations and tuitions and everything going on, but we assure you, you're going to love this thing. We have planned everything out for you to the T. So before we start off, let me first of all tell you about the rules and regulations for this competition. So let me just present this thing on the screen. Yes. So the first round of the competition will comprise of the round called as identify the logo. You'll be having 5 questions per team. Maximum marks for each right answer is 10 marks. Maximum time per question is 10 seconds. No negative marking. And if you don't answer the question will be removed. It will not be asked from the next team. Our second one will be a mixed bag. Again, 5 questions per team. Maximum marks for each right answer is 10. Maximum time per question is 10 seconds. No negative marking and no passing. Then round number 3 is rapid fire, the most interesting one. You've got 10 questions coming towards each team. Maximum time is 90 seconds. No negative marking. If you don't answer the question and you say pass, that means I will go to the next question. Once your 10 questions are done, I will come back to the unanswered question. But if you give me a wrong answer, that question is removed. Right? And unless you use the term pass, I shall not go to the next question. So after this round, if in case we have any tie left out, we're going to have a round called as tiebreaker. 2 questions per team. Maximum marks for each right answer is 20. Negative marks for each wrong answer is 10. And again, 10 seconds for each question. If you say pass, no negative marking will be happening. So are the rules clear to all the teams?
They
Yes,
need
sir.
to switch on the camera also, Sunil sir, no?
Yes, yes, yes. May I please request you all turn on your cameras? Let's make this session more lively, more interactive. It looks better.
Everyone, please keep your camera on.
If it's affecting your network, then it's completely okay. But please try to turn on your cameras. It always looks nice. So I think we will start off. So just to confirm, we have Shiv Nadar as team A, Dayanand is team B, Satyug is team C, and then SJ Education Center is team D.
Sir,
So
make
team
it one,
one,
two, three. Sir, make it 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's
yes,
easier.
team one is Shiv Nadar, team two Dayanand, team three is Satyug, and team four is SJ Education Center. So all said, Deepak sir, shall we start off?
Yes, sir.
Great. So your first round is all about the logos. You identify different types of logos. Let me present it on the screen. So team one, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best.
Wish you all the best, everyone.
Okay, team one, can you complete this logo for me? Which company has got this logo?
Sir, is this Lexus?
Exactly right. Team one, right.
Right.
Team two, identify this logo. Complete this logo, identify this logo for me. Team two.
Dhanand.
Team two, you can say pass, you can make guess also, it's completely okay.
Sir, Adidas.
Exactly. Team 3, your question. Identify this logo for me. Which logo is this?
Satyug Darshan Vidyalaya.
Okay, so no answer. This is 0 marks. The logo is for Sony Ericsson. Okay, team 4, identify this logo, please.
Team 4 SJ Education Center Kanpur.
Four more seconds. You can make a guess.
Sir, pick like. Sir, pick 3.
Which one?
SD Education Center.
No, the logo.
No,
Logo. Which
your
logo
answer.
is this?
They are saying that they are not able to see it.
Not able to see.
नो बट बेटा ये तो आपको आधा ही दिखाएंगे, उसी से आपको पहचानना है कि ये कौन सा है.
Exactly.
आपको
Half
पूरा
logo
दिखा
है.
देंगे तो फिर आपको पता चल जाएगा ना नीचे. आपको इतना ही देख के बताना है कि क्या है ये.
कोको कोला.
No, that's a wrong answer. This is Toyota, the car brand. Okay, the second circle we're going for. So team 1, identify this logo for us.
So is it Wipro?
No, this is Armani.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, team 2, identify this logo. So you're going to give you a few options for this, if in case you want.
Yes, sir. Options will be better. Sir, please.
But then you can have minus marks also. Okay, identify, like, it's a very simple one. I will not give you any option. Everybody knows about this logo. Everybody has seen this logo. Tommy Hilfiger. We're going to be showing you cut logos like this. We're going to be showing you different logos. So you have to make this thing out. Next is team C, third, right? Deepak
Team
sir?
3, yeah. Team 3. Yeah,
Team
Satyug
3.
Darshan.
Yes, sir.
Identify this famous manufacturer company. So here I'm going to give you some options. Larsen and Turbo, Ashok Leyland, Liverpool and Lacquard. Which one is this logo?
Sir, Lacquard.
Last one?
Yes, sir.
No. Ashok Leyland. Okay. Team 4, question coming your way. Identify the tourism logo. It is of which place? So, going to give you some options. Assam, West Bengal, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. This logo.
Sir, Assam.
No, Jammu and Kashmir. So that's second leg. We're going to third leg now. Identify the tourism logo. It is of which state? Manipur, Tripura, Assam or Gangtok? Manipur, Tripura, Assam and Gangtok. Team 1.
So Manipur.
Right answer.
Very nice.
Team 2. Identify the tourism logo. It is of which state? Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat.
Rajasthan, sir.
Right answer. And now we have team 4, right, Deepak sir?
No, Team 3, sir.
Team
Team
3.
3.
Yes.
So identify the tourism logo. It is of which state? This logo. Maharashtra, Bihar, Hyderabad, Himachal Pradesh. Maharashtra, Bihar, Hyderabad, Himachal Pradesh. Team 3.
You can try.
Hyderabad. No, Maharashtra. And now for team 4, identify the tourism logo for which state it's supposed to be. So we have 4 options: Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh. This logo. Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh.
Sir, Sikkim.
Right answer.
Okay.
Okay. The 4th leg we are going for. This logo is of which international hotel chain? Country Inn and Suites, Carlson Group of Hotels, Radisson or Orchard Hotels. This logo. Country
Yes,
Inn.
sir.
Yeah.
So it's Carlson.
Carlson. Right answer.
Okay.
Next, team 2. Identify the hotel logo that you see in front of you. Is it Hilton? Is it Ashoka, Radisson or Holiday Inn? Hilton, Ashoka, Radisson or Holiday Inn?
Sir, Holiday Inn.
No, this is Hilton. Team 3. Identify the international hotel brand which has got this sign. So options are Taj Hotels, Pullman, Oberoi and Clark's Inn. Taj Hotel, Pullman, Oberoi, Clark's Inn. Team 3. Any guesses?
Sir, second option.
Pullman. Right answer.
Okay. Right.
Team 4. This hotel brand logo. Identify the hotel. Pride Plaza, ITC, Oberoi or Four Seasons.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, screen share नहीं हुई है. I
Screen
can't see.
share हो रही है? You cannot see?
No, sir.
Okay, Bhavna, let me just stop presenting. I'll present again. Okay?
यार इसको क्या करूं? उसी नोट से ज्वाइन करो जिसमें मैम ने लिंक भेजी तुमको. खड़ा कर. स्क्रीन में.
Can you see this now?
No, sir.
You have some network issue there.
Yes, yes. Sir, I can see.
Okay. You have to mute the other mobile. So identify this hotel brand logo which is in front of you. Is it Pride Plaza Hotel, ITC Hotel, Oberoi or Four Seasons? This logo. You can make a guess.
Unmute yourself.
Any guesses?
You need to unmute yourself.
Sir, Pride Plaza Hotels.
Pride Plaza.
So this is Four Seasons. So our 4th leg is over. We go to a final leg, the 5th round now. Okay, team 1. This logo is one of the biggest sports games event scheduled to 2022. Which sports game it's supposed to be? Commonwealth Glasgow, Commonwealth Games New Delhi, Commonwealth Birmingham or Commonwealth Games Queensland? 2022.
So can you show the logo again?
Oh, I showed the answer. I'm going to give you a new question, okay?
All right, sir.
Okay, so identify this logo, which is of which company?
Standard Chartered.
Standard Chartered. Okay.
This we call luck.
Yes, indeed. Okay. Team 2. Identify the logo. International sports event to be held in Tokyo but postponed. Tokyo 2020. Which event is this supposed to be? Asian Games, US Open, Commonwealth Games, or Olympics? Team 2.
Dayanand.
Asian Games, US Open, Commonwealth Games, Olympics.
US Open.
No, this is Olympics.
Tokyo.
Okay. Team 3. Identify this logo that you see in front of you. Is this ITDC, HRACC, IATC, or IRCTC? ITDC, HRACC, IATC, or IRCTC?
Satyug Darshan Vidyalaya.
Sir, IRCTC.
Which one?
Last option.
Okay, last option. Oh, the right answer.
Right answer.
And team 4. Identify this logo which you see in front of you. Rolex, Aura Diamonds, Armani watches, or Bluestone? Which one is this? Rolex, Aura Diamonds, Armani, or Bluestone?
Sir, Rolex.
Right answer.
Okay.
With this, we have completed our first the first round. Deepak sir, may I please ask you to present the result on the screen?
Yes, sir. Okay, after first round, Team 1 Shiv Nada School has scored 40 out of 50. Dayanand School has scored 20 marks. And Satyug Darshan Vidyalaya has scored 20. And so has the Education Center Kanpur also scored 20. So 3 teams on 20 and Shiv Nada on 40.
Wow, great scores.
Great.
So now I'll hand over the mic to our co-quiz master, Mr. Saif Anjum, who will take it through round 2. So Saif, let me present the screen, then you may start off.
Thank you, Sunil sir. So welcome you all in the second round of a quiz, which is mixed bag. So what will be there? It will be a mixed question for you. Let me take you to the rules. There will be 5 questions per team. Okay, each team get 5 questions. The maximum marks for each right answer will be 10. Okay, so you'll be getting a 10 marks for one right answer. And the time is 10 seconds for each question. You will get 10 seconds to answer it. There will be no negative marking. So no need to worry about the wrong answer. Try whatever you want to with that particular question. If any question is not answered by the particular team, it will not pass to the next team. We'll give a new question. Clear, everyone? All set?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wish you all the best. So here we go. First question for Shiv Nada. Okay, where was Napoleon born? Sardinia, French Guiana, Corsica, Elba. Other. Where was Napoleon born?
Yes, sir.
Sir, C.
C. Corsica, let's see. C is right answer.
Okay.
Okay. The second question for Dayanand School. What was the name of Iran before 20th century? Okay. Kabilistan, Hormuz, Persia, Arabia. What was the name of Iran before?
Sir, it's Persia.
Persia. Let's see. Persia is the right answer.
Okay.
Third question for team 3, Satyog School. When did demonetization happen in India 1st November 2016, 11th November 2016, 8th November 2016, or 25th November 2016?
8 November 2016.
8th November. C. Let's see. Yes, right answer. Okay, next question for SJ Education Center. What is the name of the NASA spacecraft that has reached closest to Pluto? New Horizons, Surveyor, Voyager 2, Star Queen. Sorry, Star Ocean. Team 4. SJ Education. Yes.
Option A.
Option A.
Yes.
Okay, so
Right
here
answer.
the first circle over, the second will start with the Shivnada school. Question goes to Shivnada school. Who among the following has won US Open in golf in 2015? Tennis Martha, Jordan Spieth, Ronnie, Clint Sylvester.
Sir, B.
B.
Yes, sir. B.
Okay. Yes, the right answer. Question for team 2. Dayanand School. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Jawaharlal Nehru, John Mathai, Liaquat Ali Khan, R.K. Shanmukham Chetty. Who was the first Prime Minister?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
देखते हैं.
Sorry, it's wrong answer being given here. It's Jawaharlal Nehru here only. Right answer. Deepak is the right answer.
Okay.
Yes.
The right answer?
Yes.
Jawaharlal Nehru is the right answer. So next question for SJ. How many Indian companies have been ranked in Forbes Asia's best under a billion list? 10, 11, 12, or 13?
This is for team 3, Satyug Darshan.
Yes. How many Indian companies have been ranked in Forbes Asia's best under a billion list? 10, 11, 12, or 13? There is no negative marking. वो बोलते हैं ना, something is better than nothing. At least you can try any one of the answer.
Sir, 13.
13th. Let's see, 11. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. The next is for SJ Education Center. Next question. When was the first Indian bank set up? 1888, 1894, 1896, or 1901? For team SJ.
1829.
Yes. Which option? Option A, B, C, or D? Which option? Hello.
Sir, option 1894.
1894, option B. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's the right answer.
Okay.
Great. The third circle for Shivnada. The first question goes to Shivnada. What does entomology refer to? Study of birds, study of reptiles, study of insects, or study of humans?
So C.
C, study of insects. Let's see whether C is the right answer. Yes, it is the right answer. Great. Okay. Now for the Anand School. Which company changed its name to Mondelez India Foods Limited? Options are Nestle, Cadbury India, Viva Foods, or HLL.
Sir, it's Cadbury India.
Cadbury India. Let's see.
Cadbury India.
Cadbury India. Yes, the right answer. Now the question is for Satyug School. How many teams participated in FIFA World Cup 2014? 45 teams, 42, 32, or 30 teams in FIFA World Cup 2014? Satyug School. How many teams participated in FIFA World Cup 2014? Try your luck.
42.
42. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's 32. Sorry. The last question of the circle. But Team 4 SJ Education Center. Where is National AIDS Research Institute situated? In Mumbai, in Bangalore, in Delhi, or in Pune? Team
Sir,
4.
D.
D, in Pune. Let's see. Yes, the right answer.
Okay.
Okay. The next circle, fourth circle for Shivnada School. Question 1 for Shivnada is, between which teams was the first T20 international men's
So
match held?
sorry, so actually, Shivnadar answered the last question.
Deepak sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
think you,
दूसरे स्कूल आंसर दिया.
yeah,
Okay, so wait.
sorry,
Okay,
sir.
so we will go with this question for the team 4 SJ Education.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
we should go
Yes,
for
SJ Education. Question for you: between which teams was the first T20 international men's match held? Australia versus New Zealand, England versus New Zealand, or New Zealand versus India, or India versus Pakistan?
Sir, England versus New Zealand.
England versus New Zealand, Australia versus New Zealand. Sorry,
wrong. It's wrong. Okay.
not the right answer. Okay, so the 3 circle over. We will start the 4 circle. Question for
Yes.
Shivnada.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Now you have to identify the personality. Identify this personality you are seeing on a screen. Who is he? Who is this personality? You need to identify the name.
So do we get options or?
No option.
Options.
The face is in front of you in the screen. You need to
Okay.
identify.
Sir, something like Fidel Castro.
We need to check.
Yes, it is.
Right
Yes,
answer.
very right. Team 2, Dayanand. Famous personality you have to identify. Name of this personality. Yes. Identify this personality. Dayanand School.
So it's Winston Churchill.
Okay. Great.
Whatever.
Wow. Good. Team 3, Satyug. Now question is for you. You need to identify this face, this personality. Who is he? Yes.
No idea, sir.
No idea? Okay. Kurt Cobain, singer and guitarist. Okay, team 4. Famous personality in this image.
The lady who's sitting.
Yes, the lady who is sitting, you need to identify this name of that lady. Team 4, SJ Education Center.
Sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay, no problem. We have one more round. Mary Cure. Okay, so the last circle of this round is we need.
I'll present again, sir. Give me a second.
Yes, sir. So this question is for Shivnada. Okay, the question will appear on the screen. It is for Shivnada. The last round, last circle of this round, mixed bag. Okay, here we go. Something more interesting. You need to identify this. Which dish it is?
So it's a
Croissant.
croissant.
It's croissant. Okay. Good, great. Second, team B, identify the dish. Which dish it is? Name the dish.
It is
Diamond
tangy, it is spicy. Guess the dish.
There is a hint also. Huh?
Just
Indian
tangy and spicy.
Spicy dish. Yes, 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 yes. Try.
Sir, is it chicken?
With chicken. It's not tandoori chicken, it's something else. So guess.
You need to guess the name of the dish. Chicken with chicken. If you are thinking it's chicken and with chicken.
Sir,
Right?
no idea.
Okay. It's peri peri chicken.
Okay. No.
Okay. Next question is for team 3, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, team 3.
Identify this dish. Name of the dish. Identify this dish. Team 3, सत्योग स्कूल. इस डिश का नाम क्या है? सोचो. कहाँ देखी है ये डिश? क्या हो सकता है इसका नाम? No
Time
hint.
up, sir.
Time up.
Anybody wants to guess?
No, sir.
Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Tanya.
It's hummus.
It's hummus.
Indeed.
Very good. It's hummus. Good. The last question of this round for SJ Education Center is you need to identify this dish. What is in this image?
So I
SJ.
think it's chicken.
Yes. Sorry.
So chicken.
तो चिकन आपका फाइनल आंसर मान सकते हैं? लॉक कर दे चिकन?
Yes, sir.
देखते हैं चिकन आंसर इसका राइट है या रॉन्ग है. Let's see. No, it's Peking duck. So here we close the second round. Very well played, all the participants. Wish you good luck for the next round. Deepak sir, can you please show us the score?
Yes, sir. Okay, Shivnadar has scored all the questions in this round. They scored 50 out of 50. And then on the close behind, 40 out of 50. And Satyuk scored 10 marks. And SJ Education Center, Kanpur, they scored 20 in this round. Overall score, Shivnadar is on 90. Dyanand on 60. Satyuk on 30. And SJ Education Center on 40.
Wow.
We'll proceed to our third round, that is rapid fire. So tell you about the rules once again. 10 questions will be coming towards you. 10 questions, you have 90 seconds to answer. The time will only start once we have asked you the first question. No negative marking is there. But if you give me the wrong answer, I will not come back to your question. But if you say pass, so once all your 10 questions are done, I will come back to the first question, which you have said pass for. Is this clear?
So will marks be deducted out of the
No,
10?
nothing like that. No deductions are there.
All right.
Okay. Deepak sir, ready?
Yes, sir.
Team 1 ready?
T1 Shivnadar.
Okay.
Yes,
Time
sir.
will only start once I finished off my question. So first question. Lal Mas is a famous dish from which state?
Uttar Pradesh.
Wrong answer. Sattu Paratha is from which state?
Punjab.
Wrong answer. Who won the pastry chef of the year 2019?
Pass.
Okay. Okay. Khatte Bangan is famous from which state? Khatta Bangan. I'm sure you people have had it. Khatta Bangan.
So pass.
Pass. Next question. Which substance in the skin filters out harmful light from the sun?
So epidermis.
No, that's the wrong answer. Which is the national animal of Canada?
Beaver.
Right answer. Who won the Chef Educator of the Year Award 2009? You have 5 seconds to answer.
Gordon. Something.
No, that's the wrong answer. Okay, so Deepak sir, we're done with the round. How many answers they have got right?
The only one they
Only
scored
one.
right, they scored 10 marks.
Okay, great. Team 2, are you ready for the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Time will start once I've asked you the first question. Give another name for the study of fossils.
Sir, it's paleontology.
Right answer.
Paleontology.
Right answer. Which bird can swim but cannot fly?
Penguin.
Right answer. Which insect cannot fly but can jump higher than 30 centimeter?
Sir, fleas.
Right answer. Which fish is known for giving a shock to people? Electric shock to people. Which fish is that?
So it's a eel, electric eel.
Yes, right answer. Which plant does the Canadian flag contain?
Some maple.
Right answer. Which is the largest species of the tiger? Largest species of tiger.
Sir, Amur
Amur
tiger.
tiger.
Which one?
Amur tiger.
No, the Siberian tiger. So with this, the round ends. Deepak sir, can we have the score for team 2?
Yeah, they
सर
scored
साइबेरियन और
5
अमूल टाइगर
questions.
सर बोल सकते हैं.
Which tiger are you talking about?
सर अमूल
So
टाइगर.
AMUN.
AMUR.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a second. Right, sir. Right answer. Deepak
Okay.
sir, this was also going with their name.
Okay, so they scored all 6 out of 6 questions. They scored 60 marks in this round.
Wow, great.
Good.
Okay, team 3. Are you ready?
Satyog.
Team 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Time will start once I've asked you the first question. Okay. From which network has internet emerged? From which network has internet emerged? If you don't say pass, I will not go to the next question.
Pass.
Okay. Which unit is indication of the sound quality in MP3? Which unit we use for indicating quality of sound in MP3?
Beat per second.
No, that's wrong. What is the official language of Kosovo? Kosovo. Kosovo.
Pass.
Pass. How do you say AIDS in French?
Besaida.
Right answer.
Okay.
Deepak sir, the score please.
Yeah. In this round, Satyuk School answered one question out of 4, so they scored 10 marks in this round.
Great. Team 4, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Great. So we'll start off. The time will start once I've asked the first question. To which language is Portuguese closely related?
Sir, repeat.
To which language is Portuguese closely related? If you want, say right answer. In which country was the Titanic built? In which city was the Titanic built?
Sir, pass.
Yes. Who discovered Greenland? Who discovered Greenland?
Sir, Eric the Red.
Right answer. Who was the first king of Belgium?
Sir, Leopold.
Right answer. Which city was the capital of Australia from 1901 to 1927? You have 5 seconds. Capital of Australia from 1901 to 1927.
Sir, please repeat.
Okay. Which city was the capital of Australia from 1901 to 1927? 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. Deepak sir, may you please have the score?
Yes, sir. This round, the SJ Education Center, they scored 3 right questions out of 5, and so they scored 30 marks in this round.
Great,
And-
great.
And let me present the full score.
Yes, please.
Okay, Dinanath Education Center, they came way behind from the back, and they scored 60 marks in the last round, and they're the toppers with 120 marks. Shivnadar, one bad round, and they come to the second position, 100 marks. And Satyuk Dakshin Vidyalaya scored 40 marks, and SJ Education Center scored 70 marks.
Wow, that's a big turner, big table turner, I'll say. So congratulations, Team Dhyanand. You have actually made a major comeback that we were looking forward to. On this note, I would like to confirm it to you that we have got our semi-finals happening in just another one day, 19th. We have got our semi-final happening. The winners will be getting an invite. The first team that have come here will be getting an invite. We have now got 4 teams, the 4 top winners from the quarterfinals. And we'll see you in the semi-finals. Dean ma'am, just last words from your side, please, for the students.
I think so. It was a very enthralling quiz, and the way the whole game was turned around. My compliments to the school, and wonderful. We enjoyed it as much as you enjoyed it, and we are looking forward to keep 19th free. It will happen between Chef. What is the timings?
The timing that we have, again, post-lunch between 2:30 to 3:30, we'll be keeping it.
So post lunch, keep your 19th free so that we can win the semi-finals. And so just seeing you around on 19th. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the
Thank you so
teams.
much, everyone. Very well played. Wish you good luck for your next